Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the full justify option under the paragraph tab for text. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem-solving videos, and also we have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on working with text, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to the paragraph tab, which we covered in the previous video, and then we navigate to the little option here, full justify. Now, if we click that, you'll see we've got quite a few different options here, which we're going to cover shortly. But also something to keep in mind is that if you have a text selected like this with a normal selection tool, it will apply to the whole paragraph, or you can select custom lines with your text tool and apply it only to those lines. So that is something to keep in mind. So you can, for instance, justify just the top here if you wanted to, and yeah, which we didn't cover in the previous video. At least I don't think so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select the whole text with the selection tool, go to the paragraph tab, and then open the justify or full justify options. Now you'll see it also says it here, full alignment options, but the actual tool, if you hover over it, says full adjustment. Okay, let me just cancel here, otherwise you cannot see that. They full justify or fully justify in any case. So now with it selected, we've got a few options here. We'll start off by the top, which is adjustment. Now you'll see we've got 4 different options here. So first one is character and width spacing. So this will space your characters and your word, or character and word spacing. My apologies. Not sure where my head is today, but in any case, so this will space the characters and the words to justify to the right size. Got word spacing only, so this is spaces between your words. Got character width, so this will actually stretch your characters in order to justify it. And then we've got character size, so this will increase and decrease the size. So we'll run through each one just so you can see it. And under that we've got fit to width. So at the moment we can just click OK, and then it's going to give us an option here what size we want to fit it to. By default, it will leave it to your longest paragraph, which will be the bottom line here, and then you can set this to whatever you want, but we'll just leave us at default for now. So if we had to click OK here, you will see they just space the whole paragraph. It's space the letters and the words in order to fit. Now if we had to go here to next option, which is word space only, then as we can see there, it made quite a big space on the top line, saying that it was shorter, but that's how that justification will work. Then the next option we have here is character width. So like I mentioned, this is gonna stretch the words. So if we click OK here, now it's gonna actually stretch the words to make it all fit. Then the last one here we have is character size, and this is going to increase the size, make it fit. This is probably the most visually appealing one, where it doesn't distort your text too much, as we can see. Then you will also notice under there we've got compression, or 2 options here, compression only, and then apply equal compression to all lines. So this pretty much, these two do a similar thing. So basically what it's going to do, it's going to, if anything goes with outside of the boundaries, it's just going to compress it and keep it at a relevant size and just center it. So if I click OK, you'll see it has centered everything to the center here, which in my opinion you could just go center justification or alignment, which does the same thing. And so yeah, maybe I'm missing something there, but I've played around with it a bit, and I just come to the same conclusion no matter which option I use, as you can see. So let's just switch this back to the normal. So let's make a character spacing, fit. And like I said, you can obviously stretching. You can obviously also change the size if you wanted to make it bigger. Let's say 9 inches, then it will fit to the new size. But keep in mind, if you do sorry, my apologies, if you do make it smaller, it's going to start cramping it on each other. Okay, let's just undo that. Select our text, try that again. So let's make this about 5. Gonna make it normal, and then like there, so I'll start cramping it on each other. Well, otherwise that is the basics on it. We obviously still have a few settings to cover, but they do not do so much of a difference, so we've left them out now for the sake of the length of the video. But otherwise, if you guys head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right here. If you do not, however, find the video you're looking for, you can always go your requested training video, then we'll make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.